Hi friend, this is Manoj Jamne, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Art, Commerce and Science College, Surtuli, Lohara. Today in this video we will discuss about the poem The Lost Leader by Robert Browning. Okay, the poem is about the betrayal of a leader of romantic movement. What is romantic movement? Romantic movement deals with the writing about nature, and romanticism is started in 1798 with the publication of lyrical ballad, and it is started by the two writers William Wordsworth and H.T. Coleridge. They wrote a work, lyrical ballad, and the work, and that is the anthology of poem, and it is collaborated by William Wordsworth and H.T. Coleridge. And with that publication, the new era emerged, a new era, that is romanticism. Okay, and the poem is belongs to the romantic movement, and there are so many facets which combine or linked the poem and the romanticism. Okay, the summary of the poem. This poem is an attack. Here, attack. This poem is an attack on any liberal leader who has deserted his cause for money. Here in this poem, William Wordsworth is attacked by the poet Robert Browning, and this is the indirect, hidden attack. Why he attacked? Because the leader, the liberal leader of romantic movement, desert or left the movement because of some money. That's why William Wordsworth is attacked, and it is held attack. It's called held attacked. Robert Browning is particularly addressing William Wordsworth in this poem, and the main address in this poem is William Wordsworth. Okay, and all the poem is about William Wordsworth, and because he was the hero, he was the leader of the movement of them. The speaker represents all the poor and oppressed people of England, and the speaker represents all the poor and oppressed people of England. Speaker means Robert Browning represents all poor. तो त्यांना रिप्रेझेंट करत असतं because their leader was left them, and that's why he comes forward and lead all the oppressed people, all the poor people of England. The first stanza, the speaker attacked the leader, and in the second, they described the action taken as a result of leader deserting the slaves without the leader. In the first stanza, what is it? In the first stanza, the poet attacked on William Wordsworth, and in the second stanza, they describe the action taken as a result of leader deserted the slaves. दुसऱ्या स्टँजामध्ये काय सांगितलेलं आहे? एक ऍक्शन त्यांनी जे घेतलं, त्यांचा जो लीडर आहे तो लीडर जेव्हा सोडून जात असतं, तेव्हा सोडून जात असताना, सोडून गेल्यानंतर सिच्युएशन हँडल करण्याचा काय काय ऍक्शन त्यांना घ्यावं लागलं, त्या ऍक्शन त्यामध्ये डिस्क्राईब केलेल्या आहेत. विदाउट द लीडर देर इज अ मूड shaped between stanzas, and here the mood of the poem is shaped as per the stanzas, between the stanzas. Here the poem follows the catalectic meter which resembles a snare drum. Lots of hyperbolic language is used in this poem. Robert Browning used hyperbolic language. The poem is like a battle song. एखाद्या युद्ध गीतासारखं हे काय आहे रणयुद्ध गीतासारखं एक पोएम आहे. Punctuations is used to break up the rhythm of the poem, and here punctuation is used to break up the rhythm of the poem. Okay, now here we stop the rest of the poem, and the analysis of the poem we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.